talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she be down the ride, oh, I bet that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Are you clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Let's talk. But first, there is no but first. Let's get right to the video. I'm recording not at home, so this may be a little messed up, but I wanted to share some information with you. Somebody asked me a question a couple days ago about the clerks at the plant having to go get the mail themselves, walk halfway across the dock and bring the big GPCs of their own mail. And that's the stuff that they have to load onto, you know, and do the stacking and all the stuff that they work at, the DB machine, the letter sorters, and yeah, all that. So I have some good news for you. After doing some research, that is definitely a mail handler's job. So if you're doing their work, they're definitely going to file a grievance and they're going to win because you're doing their work. So don't do it. But here's the thing, if they don't have mail handlers to go and do it, obviously you're supposed to go and do exactly what management tells you to do, and you know, you can grieve that later. But as far as the mail handlers not bringing the mail back because they're asleep, because whatever this scenario is, I just got a video from, thank you very much, you know who you are, of the mail handler replacement. I can't emphasize this enough. Mail handlers need to stop playing around, okay? Y'all supposed to be the backbone of this. You move the mail, you handle the mail, whether it's a parcel or a letter. That's what you're supposed to do. And you're allowing other crafts to do your work and they're finding no relevance to you anymore. That's when they start smashing people together and then changing job duties. And yeah, so this little clip here is going to show you this machine that actually goes to get the mail and bring it to the letter sorter people. And yeah, you know who that eliminated? Mail handlers. And it's working. It is brand new. So mess with it if you want to. Take a look at it if you need to. But when you look at this video, don't be mad at me, because this is nobody else's doing. I mean, enjoy it, yeah, obviously, but there'd be no need if it was flowing correctly and flowing smoothly. I made a video about a month ago that said that, you know, we have those electric pallet jacks and those motorized things that's going to start moving. Eventually they're going to just phase people out because there's not going to be a need. If I physically did the work and continued to work and there were no issues, there would be no need to look for a replacement. But people have you know, become complacent long enough, and now, you know, the machines, they're just going to do what needs to be done. Please don't take this as me jabbing at anybody, because that's not the case. Because I say, you know, my postal family, is everybody good? Everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie? Because y'all my postal family. But in this scenario, we can't stop what's already been put in motion. It's like we let the cat out of the bag, and now he's just figuring out every single method to go and take care of business. What's next? Oh, Jay, they're coming after your job next. They're gonna replace the truck drivers. Well, Jay got a secret for you guys, and I'll tell you guys in due time. But yeah, I'm on vacation right now, but on vacation, the work don't stop. They sent me the video. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. It was a shock. It was a shock. And again, if you guys got some information, just boom, shoot it to me. I'll send it nationwide and people hear it. You see me? Pardon the audio and pardon whatever, you know, mistakes come with this. But again, I'm not home. I don't have my editing equipment. All right, this is JH. Very short clip. Hopefully this is helpful to somebody. We out.